Well, good morning. So there are a couple of things that I want to do to the car before I get it installed with the turbo. So one of the first things that I noticed was these two cylinders had oil inside them. So I decided to go ahead and change out the valve cover gasket. And after that, I noticed that these wires look pretty chopped up. Look at the condition right there. So I decided to also change out the wire. So I went ahead and changed out all the spark plugs. And another thing I have to do is add in a new PCV valve, because when I tried to remove a hose from here that connects to the valve cover, it came apart because, well, the car is a 96 car. So yeah, there's a lot of components that are still old. I also went ahead and changed out the air filter. I'm also going to probably change out the thermostat and the water pump, because for sure those are some things that probably go with a turbo being installed. One thing I want to point out is I do expect this car to either break or have some other things break. What do I mean by that? I understand the transmission may not be able to handle the amount of boost that I want to put in it. I want to put in about 7 pounds of boost, and then if it handles that well, I'm going to go up to 10, but I first got to see if other components can pretty much handle that. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right now, just giving you guys a little update on what's up with that. Other than that, yeah, that's about it. Things are in motion, and hopefully everything will be ready by March or February.